listen up, if you have a laptop and a phone and you're not making anywhere from 5 to 10K per month, then I don't know what you're doing with them. There are so many ways to make money online, and some of them even have the potential to replace your full-time job. How do I know? Because I replaced my full-time job in just 8 months, and I even went on to bring $100,000 in just 12 months. You know how I did it? I did it by promoting and reviewing other people's products and services, which I personally use and love, and I think they're valuable, for just 1 to 3 hours a day on my phone and a laptop. This is known as freelance digital marketing, aka affiliate marketing. What I do is called high ticket affiliate marketing. This just means the products that I promote cost more, so my commissions are higher. And no, it's not MLM, it's not a pyramid scheme. I don't hold inventory, I don't do cold messages, I don't make money off of other people's efforts. It's just a relationship between me and the brand. You can choose whatever brand and product that you want to promote. And by the way, this business model has been around since the 1980s. And 86% of brands have affiliate programs like Walmart, Amazon, North Face, and the list goes on and on. All have affiliate programs that you can join and make money with them. Everyday people like you and me are doing this to make thousands of dollars from home. Number one thing that I see people struggle with when they start is they start to do things on their own. Use Google and YouTube. It's their only research. Then they get super overwhelmed with where to start and how to scale to 6 figures. Want to learn the same way as me? Ready, and I will send you the link, or you can find the same link at the